What's up to all those alone in the zone? Back again, making connections through sketching. John Eli Lopez on a mission to get you one step closer to being the king or the queen of the pencil. And today we'll be covering how to draw different facial emotions. Okay, so let's begin. First, we're going to start with oval. And I'm just gonna do a regular character here. I'm starting with the circle eyes with the dot in the middle. And the way I'm doing my eyes is kind of like a C. I think when eyes have that little reflective spot, it just pops out a little more. Really kind of wide U as a nose and a similar wide U for the mouth. C for the ears and a backward C for this ear. Kind of like a question mark thing or S kind of going inside the ear. Give him some regular eyebrows here. And there you have it. Regular looking guy, right? But now we're going to move on to different expressions. How you can take this same structure, change some features, and get different expressions in the face. All right, so this is the setup I put together. And I just got 19 different emotions. I'm going to first start with angry. Do the same oval eyes, but I'm leaving the top because that's where the eyebrows come in as a frown. Downward. Some hairs here. Same U for the nose. Upside down U for the mouth. Happy. All right, I'm gonna leave the eyes closed for this one, right? That's a happy looking character right there. And now we're gonna move on to sad. A sad character here. Right? And sad, we're gonna still same circular eyes. But except we're gonna bring the eyelids down a bit. Upside down U. This guy just lost his best friend. Very sad. Eyebrows kind of aiming upward. And now we're gonna move on to frustrated. And usually when you're frustrated, you're thinking about something. Something has got you frustrated. It's kind of angry and concentrating at the same time. So we have one eyebrow down, one up, and I'm looking off into the distance. And upset, be a little different. Circular eyes. Kind of downward eyebrows, but not as intense as anger. Straight mouth, kind of upset, mixed with insanity. He looks like he's contemplating, all right? And now let's move on to shock. We start with the ovals here. Eyes are usually smaller in the middle there. Let's give him the U. O for the mouth. He is like, oh, wow. Eyebrows a little higher. Ears in there. Hopeful. Similar eyes. Just show you how you could just change the whole look with the mouth there. Just a smile. Similar face, but just you throw the smile on. And he's hoping something. What's coming through the door there? Something. Intense. Similar circles. Similar to upset. The eyes have changed. It's an intense stare, Waiting. Now we're going to move on to suspense. Suspense, the eyes could be a little closer together. Eyebrows a little aiming downward. Mouth kind of open. Not entirely, but slightly. That's suspense. All right, let's move on to shy. Get the ovals in there. One eyebrow a little lower. Got an awkward smile there, kind of like you're biting your bottom lip. Usually when you're shy, it's some awkwardness to it. All right, now let's move on to excited. And excited, usually eyes are ready to pop. Get the ears in there. And in love. It's very close to excited because when you're in love, you are definitely excited. Eyebrows similar. Let's get more of a gaze and a silly kind of smile there. You just don't know what to do with yourself. Let's move on to worried. And worried would be similar to kind of like the eyes in frustrated because you're thinking of something. Something has you worried. All right? Just bring the eyebrow down. One up. Mouth a bit open. You are definitely concerned. What is coming through that door? All right, let's move on to mad now. Mad is a step up from anger. So it's more emotion, more wrinkled eyebrows. The more you could make them pronounce, the lower angle you could bring them down to, the more anger that you would show from that character. So let's show some teeth here. He is definitely a lunatic right now. Mad. All right. Very nice. And depressed. It's even more droopy than sad, I guess. Looking down. You just exaggerate. Depressed is kind of like an exaggeration of sad, similar to how mad is an exaggeration of anger, right? So now, fearful. Something has you terrified. So, oval for the eyes. Let's get the dots in there. They say the eyes are the doorway to the soul. So once you capture the expression of the eye, this guy has spotted something that is terrifying him. So now, embarrassed. Let's get the ovals in there. It's kind of doesn't even want to look at what has him embarrassed. The embarrassing smile. The awkward kind of smile. The blushing of the cheeks. And he is definitely embarrassed. Now let's move on to tired. Tired. You definitely can tell from the eyes. Keep the lid of the eye going downward. Some bags under the eye. Ears in there. This guy's tired. He's ready to sleep. He is done for the day. All right. Now, let's move on to ecstatic. And ecstatic would be another level from happy, excited. Ecstatic, you are just ready to go. The eyebrows up there. It's real wrinkles on the eye here. On excited, we showed the top and the bottom teeth. Now we're just showing the top teeth and the tongue. Because this is such a wide smile right here. Get the ears up there. And there you have it. Various expressions. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, if you got some value from it, throw that subscribe button in the sleeper hole. Hit the like button. Leave a comment. Would you like to see another couple of expressions? Did I leave out any? Any feedback is appreciated. So until next time, John Eli Lopez signing out. You guys be safe. Until next time, later.